Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Night FinTech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 24th January 2022. In the international market, some value buying was seen in the US markets and US 10-year yields retreated. US 10-year is now at 175, 8 basis points down from Thursday, and 30-year at 2.07, 7 basis points down from Thursday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $88.74 per barrel. Short-term range for crude has been revised upwards to $86 to $90 per barrel. Our night research view, let's understand the basic reasons for a crude oil rally. Oil market is headed into a triple deficit problem, which is number 1, low inventories, number 2, low spare production capacity, and number 3, low investments. $100 per barrel for crude is a certainty, just 1 quarter away, and we may see much higher prices for crude by Q3 calendar year 2022. In the currency market, dollar index is at 95.70, today's range 95.51 to 96.01. USD CNY or Chinese yuan at 633. USD INR with a low of 74.55 closed at 74.43. Support at 74.30 and resistance at 74.60 does exist. Watch out! Fed's FOMC meeting is on 25th, 26th and 26th Jan is a holiday in India. Hence, better to stay away from the market. Also, FII equity selling has started again in Indian markets as well, and keep an eye on FII equity outflows. In the domestic market, Indian bond market traders are watching the following 2 events and are staying on sidelines. Number 1, US Fed FOMC meeting on 25th and 26th January. Number 2, Union budget next week. For Fed FOMC, market is not expecting any change for now, but most probably March 22 will be the time when the rate rises. At the same time, traders are also looking at the speed at which rates are raised. A 50 basis points rate hike will create panic in the US bond markets, and Indian bond traders are very well aware of this threat. 563 2026 closed at 593 versus 594. 610 2031 closed at 662 versus 661. 667 2035 closed at 708 versus 708. 21st January GSEC auction cutoffs: 456 GS 2023 at 493. 574 2026 at 607 or 9862, with a devolvement of rupees 2011 crores on primary dealers. 667 2035 at 709. Markets did not react negatively for a 5-year paper partial devolvement. Trading strategy: stay on sidelines as 25th 26th FOMC meeting and budgets are near-term uncertainties. Strategic call: 574 2026 was recommended at 606 near 9865, and we advise to hold. For all traders whose AFS HFT positions are heavy, they can book profits today if opportunity arises. Trading range for 610 2031, 660 to 665. Next support does exist at 665, and markets have not breached 665 on a closing basis yet. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.